Hello everyone, I am V. Sanjeevi studying 2nd BSc Agriculture in the School of Agriculture and Animal Sciences Department. Now let us see a short glimpse on the glory of our department. Now we are at sea farm, standing here to explore the green heartbeat of the earth that turns sunlight into life and hope. Every seed sown here is a promise of food, growth, and existence of tomorrow. So come on, now let's dwell into the beauty of the nature. This wonderful crop cover shows the determination and hard work of our young farmers to bring in new life into the earth. At Sea Farm, we not only practice the traditional method of cultivation, but we also do the modern method of cultivation and we are trained to do it in a perfect way. You are wondering what I am doing right? Now we are at the meteorological site. A meteorological site is the farmer's eye in the sky, which guides every seed with signs. Weather decides the fate of the crops, but meteorology helps in modifying the fate accordingly. An orchard turns seasons into sweetness and sunlight into nourishment. Here in our orchard, we have several economically important fruiting trees and ornamental flowers. A dairy farm is an integral part of agriculture, combining animal sciences and farm management for the sustainable production of milk and manure. Our dairy unit consists of about 32 cows, 36 goats, 15 rabbits with some poultry units. This environment provides a hands-on experience for the students regarding the management of cattle breed.